In this video, you'll learn how to change the campaign URL in Mailchimp. By following these steps, you will effectively modify the URL associated with your email campaigns, allowing for better tracking and customization. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp website, open your preferred web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Mailchimp home screen. This is where you will start the process of changing your campaign URL. Next, locate the button labeled Create on the home screen. This button is typically found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on Create to proceed. After this action, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with various options for creating new campaigns. After that, select the option labeled Replicate from the drop-down menu. This action will take you to a screen where you can choose an existing campaign to duplicate. A list of your previous campaigns will be displayed. Find the campaign whose URL you wish to change and click on it to open the editing interface. Once this appears, you will see the campaign details. Look for the button that says Edit and click on it. This will direct you to the editing screen of the selected campaign, allowing you to make necessary modifications to the campaign settings. Now, find the option labeled Edit Email URL within the editing interface. Click on this option to access the section where you can modify the campaign URL. A message may appear informing you that the domain name part of the email URL is generated randomly. This is an important note, as you will be able to edit only the email subject part of the URL path. Next, type in the new email URL you want to use in the designated text box. Ensure that the URL you choose is appropriate and aligns with your campaign's goals. This customization allows for better tracking and identification of your campaigns. Finally, click on the button labeled Save to apply your changes. After this action, a confirmation message should appear indicating that your changes have been successfully saved. It is advisable to verify the new URL by navigating to the updated campaign page, ensuring that everything is set correctly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.